Today we're going to unbox Kospet Tank M1 because this watch is literally a tank. It's indestructible. Is that true? Let's take a look. You got a manual, a card, a strap. They give us another strap that looks military. Good quality, feels nice, not bad. Charging cable. Finally, we have the Tank M1. Looks really well built. Rugged. This aluminum body looks awesome. Physical key. Quick release. Good. Alright, this is the power key. Back key, nothing. Alright, so you press once to light up the screen. On the home screen, it shows you the date, time, and overall exercise information, steps, BPM, calorie, and the distance. Swipe up, you get a message. Swipe down, you see the shortcuts. The brightness, theater mode, countdown up to 2 hours. Vibration, obviously, battery, and you got camera. So once you connect with your phone, you should be able to use this as a shutter. Back, okay, that's it. Swipe left, you got steps, sleep, heart rate monitor, and this exercise, BP, blood pressure, okay, weather, okay, SpO2, player, music, okay, and the swipe right is the same way just in the reverse order. Okay, there is one innovative gesture control is it supports split screens. You can see it puts sleep, message, and heart rate like here, so you can access to those apps even faster. Alright, I just want to check that heart rate monitor. 77. Okay, is it normal? Yes, of course, it's fucking normal. SpO2. Let's just measure it. Okay, 98%. Seems quite good. Okay, that's it. And here, this key, this back key, when you press from the home page, you get to see different apps. Basically, everything is there. You may wonder, where are the sports modes? Well, you just long press the back key. Okay, sorry. Long press the back key. You will see an interface for exercise. Then you click in, then you see all those sports modes, hacking, training, sit up, everything, basketball, skipping, walking, those normal sports modes. And that's the gesture, pretty much the same as other smartwatches I've reviewed before. Let's take a quick look at their app, shall we? So here, this is the home page. You can see the overall exercise, the overall status, like steps, sleep, heart rate, continuous heart rate eraser, and then here are the basic information for Tank M1. You can change watch faces here, notifications, choose which app to show, blah blah blah, alarm, shutter. Great, I want to use shutter, 1, 2, 3. Okay, it has a countdown. Ooh, nice. Okay. And also this is my profile. Okay, that's it. That's the app. Pretty decent, simple. Alright, so my first impression is quite positive, to be honest. The first time I saw the official video, I thought it would be a bulky, clumsy, huge, giant outdoor smartwatch, but the moment I unbox it and put it on my hands, it is an elegant and beautifully designed smartwatch that's good both for outdoor and indoors. You see, even when you're working in the office, people wouldn't notice something different. It's just a normal smartwatch. But as we can see from the video, they did really some extreme tests on it, and I wouldn't do that because I am going to use it for some time. And yeah, I would give Kospet the benefit of doubt, considering they have done really good rugged smartwatches before. So yeah, they should have that kind of technology to withstand extreme tests. If you are interested in a smartwatch that's good, that's great, that's suitable both for outdoors and indoors, I think this is the one. And if you are interested in this smartwatch, you can check out the link in the description. And at the end of this video, I will just put a short clip of the design, the details of this watch. I'm Sammy, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Watch you want.